To change the Wi-Fi network for your iRobot Roomba 405, first of all we'll need to launch our Roomba app. Next step is to select the robots right here and then go to the three dots like this and select the Wi-Fi settings. Then go for reconnect or change Wi-Fi, confirm it, and that way you'll be moved to the first setup screen. But don't worry, your settings for your Roomba are still saved. You can just move to change the Wi-Fi. So click on next, next, next. My robot is ready. Go to the Wi-Fi settings and make sure that your Wi-Fi is on your smartphone device. Then you can actually already right here connect to the desired Wi-Fi that you want to use on your robot. In this case, I'm gonna go for this one right there. And then we can continue, enter a password for the Wi-Fi, and when you're done, your robot will be connected to a different Wi-Fi. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.